Windows 7 was an amazing OS, but modern hardware tends to not allow you to either install it or daily drive it because of Microsoft not providing you with the latest security updates to the OS, but that doesn't stop you from installing it as a VM and use it as you need it and then turning it off. So in this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 7 in 2022 on Virtualbox so you can use your older applications, or you can just get that old Windows 7 feeling where Windows Search used to work. Without further ado, let me show you how to do it. Alright guys, to get started installing Windows 7 on Virtualbox, first we're going to download Windows 7. For that, we need to go to this website, rufus.ie, download the latest version, open the file, and then we're just going to use it to download the latest build of Windows. So just click on here, download, and you'll see all these options. Now we need to select Windows 7, continue, SP1, continue. You can select the edition you want. I'm going to go with Ultimate, so why not? Press next, select the architecture, 64 is recommended, and then check this box that says download using a browser. This will help you use any download accelerator if you have one installed, like IDM or something like that. Boom, we're downloading the file. While that downloads, we're going to go to this link to download Virtualbox. You need to just go to this link in the description down below. Just click on Windows hosts, and then there you go. If you're on Linux or Mac OS, you can download that host. The rest of the process will remain the same. Open and install Virtualbox. I can close out of Rufus while the file downloads. Alright, press next, next. I don't want a desktop shortcut. Quick launch I don't want as well. Start menu is fine. Installing, proceed with installation. Installing networking feature will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect it from the network. So for our download to not fail, I'm going to pause it, press yes, install, and it's installed. Now we can restart our download, and now we can start Virtualbox and start configuring the VM. Now we need to go to new. Then you can choose where you want to install the VM. I'm going to use the C drive, that's fine. I can pick memory size. I'm going to go with 8 GB, but minimum of 4 is okay. You can also select create a virtual disk now or use an existing disk. I'm just gonna leave it at default, create a virtual disk. I'm gonna name the OS Windows 7 in 2022. Memory has for some reason come back down to this, so I'm gonna raise it back to 8192, and then I'm going to go create. Now it's asking which type of virtual disk I want to create. Pick the one you want. I'm going to go with the default Virtualbox disk image. Hit create, and then the machine's ready. Now what we need to do is go to settings and go to storage, pick the DVD drive, set up on 1, and then click on this little button here, choose create virtual optical disk, and now we're going to click on add, and then we're going to wait for this download to finish. Alright guys, the file has finished downloading. The name is 7601244214. Just remember a little bit of that. We can see it right here in the add 7601. Select that. You can see the files here. Choose, press OK. And now we just need to start our VM. Just click on start. Before we start, I just noticed the storage is pretty low. So we just need to make sure that the virtual size is at least 50 GB. We're just going to click on here. We're going to delete this file, add a new disk. Hard drive, we're going to create one. Virtual disk image, dynamically allocated. I'm going to set it to 50 GB roughly, and we're in. Now we can start the virtual machine. Boom, we should be seeing an option, yep. Start installing Windows 7, give it a few seconds to boot. Damn, that was quick. Windows 7 was not designed for, SSDs. This animation didn't even finish playing. Just hit next, install. That was so quick. I've never seen it go that quick before. Accept, next, custom, next. I forgot how Windows 7 used to be, like lightning quick. Look at that installation speed. That's installing disk to disk, not even from an external SSD or anything. Right, we'll give it a few minutes to get it installed and be right back. Alright guys, that's done. Hitting restart. We can now eject the optical drive. You can see it's installing all the drivers, so you might see the screen blink a little bit. That's fine. Look at this, look at this. Look at that boot speed. 1, 2, 3. And there you go. We're in the setup. Man, those days were faster. Like these days, if you install Windows 11, setup will say a million other things before it puts you to this screen. Just gonna call it the easy way. I'll leave it blank. Pick the product key, ask me later. Choose the time, choose work network. Ooh, that sound takes me back. Windows 7 was so quick. Like this is without any drivers are installed, like device manager. There are no drivers. We're going to fix that. So we're just going to go to devices, insert guest edition CD image. You can see it just inserted the disk and change the UAC prompts to disappear forever. Now we can launch the disk manually from here to install all the graphics and network drivers. Boom, always trust. Reboot now. I'll just reboot the guest OS, that's fine. We know how fast it can start, so really reboot is basically just 10 seconds total. Look at that, back on desktop. You can even apply the arrow theme. See, it's all installed, the drivers. Internet works, although it is Internet Explorer 11. It looks so ancient on Internet Explorer, but there you go. That's Windows 7 running on Windows 11 on a virtual machine using Virtualbox. You can save the state by just closing the button. Save the machine state, press OK. You can resume where you left off, just hit the start button again, and that's it, done. And there you have it, guys. You can use all features of Windows 7, including the support for older apps that were designed for Windows XP and etc. that do not work on Windows 10 and 11. You can enjoy the nostalgia when operating systems used to work normally and weren't updated so frequently that you had to restart your PC almost every day. Anyway guys, smash that like button if this video helped you install Windows 7 on Virtualbox. Consider subscribing and dinging that notification bell just down there. You can check out my other videos right up here, down there. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers!